struggling with your academic projects? Deadlines closing in? What if your idea could instantly turn into a submission-ready masterpiece? Every year, students face the same challenge. Brilliant ideas stuck because of technical gaps, presentation anxiety, and tight deadlines. The result? Compromised grades and missed opportunities. That's why we created CodeAj Marketplace Complete Project Mentorship, your trusted partner in academic excellence. From concept to final submission, we guide you with a full stack development, simple code explanations, and powerful presentation coaching. With CodeAj, you get a fully functional project, clean documented code, and step-by-step walkthroughs so you understand every line. Build your confidence from your presentations with expert guidance and enjoy a 24/7 support until your successful submission. So join over 500 plus successful students who trusted CodeAj Marketplace with a 98% success rate. Our mentorship is proven to deliver results. Don't let deadlines stress you out. Choose CodeAj Marketplace today and transform your project ideas into academic excellence. So contact us now and start your journey to guaranteed success.